All the resources you need to support your home learning are on the school website on your class page. Please make sure before you begin your work to go to the website and watch the videos and access all the information. Please go to the school website, click on Children then Year 3, and you'll be able to scroll down and find something that looks like this picture here on your internet page. You can click on the icons and that will bring you directly to what you need to watch, or some questions for you, for example, and you can complete them after you click on it. Please go to the school website, go to Children and then Year 3, scroll. For maths, please go to the school website, click on Children, then Year 3, scroll down and find the icon as shown there where it says maths video. Click on that, watch the video and then have a go at completing the maths in your booklet. There are also the answers there as well for you to check after you've finished. So today we are going to be dividing 2 digits by a 1-digit number. We're using a similar method for question 5. It says work out the divisions and they've written out the part-whole method for you underneath. So when moving on to literacy, please make sure that you are checking your work and reading over it after every few sentences. Check that your work makes sense and that it says what you want it to say. Check the tense of your work, so perhaps you might be writing in the past tense, you might be writing in the present tense. Just make sure that you've got the same tense throughout your work. And see if there's any way to edit your work. So perhaps you've written a sentence and you might notice that perhaps you can add another adjective or an adverb or another special word in there, a keyword perhaps. See if you can go back and add that in to really improve your work. Don't forget your capital letters, finger spaces, your full stops, and don't forget to just read your work at the end as well to make sure that you're happy with it. So we're starting off with some spellings today, and we've got a spelling list there in a table. So we've got precious, whip, reflection, decide, court, and now we are going to do a bit of a sorting activity. So the writer uses some fronted adverbials to tell the reader when. We are reading chapter 12 of Matilda. Your reading questions can also be found. Please complete your multiplication. So we're doing the 8 times tables, and then on the right hand side of the screen you can see we've got a mix of different times tables there. So you can please have a look at your spellings. This poster here, as shown on the screen, is going to help you to learn them. So the first step is to look at the word you're going to spell very carefully. The next step is to say the word to yourself. Then cover it up so you can't see the words anymore. Write the word down, then check each letter to make sure you've spelt it correctly, and make sure that when you're checking them that the letters are in the correct order and that all of the letters are where they should be. Then after you've done that with your spellings, you can pick 5 of the words and put them into sentences. If you don't know what any of the words mean, please look in a dictionary to help you. For comprehension, we are looking at emergency vehicles, okay? So we've got some headings there, we've got some diagrams, we've got some fact boxes. For science today, please go to the school website, go to Children and then Year 3, scroll down and you'll be able to access today's. For ICT, please once again go to the school website, go to Children, then Year 3, click on the ICT